Hey guys, welcome back to another You Want a Pizza This Reviews. In today's video, we do have Bellacino's Pizza and Grinders Pizza. This is the Michigan Avenue location in Dearborn, Michigan. Let's go ahead and take a look at this pizza. This pizza is a 16-inch pizza. It is $9.99 for the cheese, and it is cut into squares. I see online that they get good reviews, and I've never tried Bellacino, so I figure let's go ahead and do it. It's a little thin, but it's okay. So right off the bat, this pizza screams to me basic. Excuse me. This pizza screams basic to me. It tastes just like your average pizza. I don't have nothing else to say at that point because once I bit into it, I just thought, okay, this is a basic pizza. If I had to rate this, I'd give it a 6.3. Yeah, nothing special about it. Like I said, it's just basic pizza. It works. $9.99, you get a big 16-inch pizza here cutting, but it doesn't have anything special about it that tastes anything that stands out in any way at all to me. So yeah, 6.3, basic pizza, and that is Bellacino's Pizza and Grinders. Like I said, this is the Michigan Avenue location in Dearborn, Michigan. Make sure you like, subscribe. In the next video, I will be doing Mancino's Pizza in Westland, Michigan. So stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.